In this tutorial, we're going to be taking a look at exercise 3-36. Now, this one here is pretty self-explanatory. It's a pretty easy exercise to go through and get started, but the way that I want to do this is I'm going to start first by going with no template imperial. And I want to lay out the two main circles before I do anything else. So I'm going to click on the circle command, and I'm going to draw my first circle, hit D, enter to put in my diameter of 1.5. Now I'm going to copy this one using my X and Y values. So I'm just going to left click right out here in space, and I'm going to say 1.5 comma negative 2.5. And what that's going to do is it's going to locate another circle right down here for me. Now that I have the two main circles laid out, I can go in and use the tangent radius option of the circle to create the two arcs that I need. So under the circle drop down, I'm going to select tan radius, and we want tangent here, and a radius of 3.5. Next circle is going to be another tangent radius, tangent here, with the radius of 6.5. So now that I have these two in, I can go ahead and trim the objects that I don't need, which are these two lines. Now, this kind of looks a little bit off from the book, so I want to verify my dimensions between these two circles. So I'm just going to type DI enter to measure a distance, and I'm going to go from this center point to this center point, and this tells me that my delta X is 1.5, which is what it's supposed to be, and it tells me that my delta Y is negative 2.5, which is also what it's supposed to be. So then I'm going to click on this circle and I'm going to verify my dimension. It is a diameter of 1.5, so this is accurate. It doesn't necessarily look exactly like the one in the book, but when we go through and verify the dimensions that we're using, we can see that it is accurate. So next I'm going to go back to the regular center radius circle, and I'm going to put in a circle here with a diameter of 0.75, and then hit enter to get back into my circle command. Left click this center, hit enter again because it's the same diameter, and there we have exercise 3-36.